Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. You're signed into the same Samsung account and on reliable Wi-Fi. Once done, plug the phone in or ensure battery stays above 50%. This avoids interruptions. Now go to Settings, Accounts and Backup and tap Samsung Cloud. Choose Restore to view available device backups. You should see dates and device names. Select the backup you need. This first action locates your saved data and prepares the system to pull files and settings. You'll now choose exactly what to restore and why. Contacts and Gallery bring back essentials, while Apps and Settings recreate your environment. Once you select types, make sure the device reports enough local storage. Otherwise, free some space. Tap Restore and pay attention to the progress bar. Do not close the app or reboot the phone during transfers. If many gigabytes are restoring, expect it to take time. The system queues items and re-downloads apps, then applies settings in sequence for consistency. Once the restore finishes, you should verify key items. Open contacts, gallery, messages, and check a few apps to confirm data integrity. You may need to re-sign into third-party apps or re-grant permissions. If something's missing, make sure you use the same Samsung account and the backup date matches expectations. Then update the Samsung Cloud components and retry. This troubleshooting tip fixes most issues, same account and updated app. If problems persist, contact Samsung support with your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.